I've been working against air pollution and environmental causes for the past 3-4 years, and the main trigger for me was basically the air pollution crisis in New Delhi. I was 13 years old at that time, and I was suffering from respiratory ailments, and people near and dear to me were suffering from those as well. My friends were having asthmatic attacks and were getting admitted in the hospital, and that is why I've recently filed this petition so that the government can take some concrete steps and prevent this from happening each and every year. I believe that the crisis this year is very serious. Furthermore, because of the COVID-19 pandemic and because more and more people have weakened immune and respiratory systems this year. I believe that the government should take concrete action. For example, work from home is one scenario. And then they have shut down schools, which is a welcome move, but it came only after the orders of the Supreme Court judges. The government is taking small measures, for example installing smog towers, which is a futile move because it doesn't have any effect, or at most a minimal effect on the air pollution levels. Where if the air pollution levels are above 1000 and above at a severe level, then the smog towers can barely bring it down 50 units.
Delhi is a very typical place where it is landlocked, so there is no seas facing where the pollution can go away, and we are entirely dependent upon the wind velocity to clear the air of Delhi. But that is the aspect of removing the pollution. The cause of the pollution is still there, and if the cause of the pollution, so for instance, if industries are not following the AQI norms, then they have to be closed. If a thermal plant is not following the AQI norms, then they have to be closed. If a car is violating an AQI norm, the car has to be banned from Delhi. So we need to take very strong measures, and when you take strong measures, you become unpopular, and nobody wants to take that unpopularity.